Today, let's make it easier to understand the word quarter as used in everyday and business conversation. Hi, I'm Kathy and I've worked in English and information design for over 25 years. I'd like to help you with English so that it becomes easier to use and easier to understand. The essential thing about a quarter is it's 25% of something, or one of four equal parts. For example, we can cut an apple or a cake into quarters. And when we have 2 quarters, we call them a half. However, when we have 3 quarters, we say 3/4 as there isn't really an alternative word. In everyday conversation, as well as food, you'll often hear people talk about quarters in relation to measurements. For example, with time, a quarter of an hour, and distance. Turn right in a quarter of a mile. In business, a year is divided into quarters. The first quarter is January, February, March. Second quarter, April, May, June. Third quarter, July, August, September. And the fourth quarter, October, November, December. You'll see the quarters of the year abbreviated as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, making it quicker to say and write them. Often you'll see the year as well. For example, this is said as Q1 2022, or even shorter as Q1 2022. You'll hear the quarters of the year used when planning, maybe something like this. In the first quarter, sales were decreasing and below target. In the second quarter, we see an important growth in sales, and we believe sales will exceed targets at the end of the third quarter. Quarters are also useful when a timeline isn't clear. For example, our new application will launch on the market in the fourth quarter. Identifying the fourth quarter means you can release the application anytime in October, November and December and be on schedule. Let's recap our key points about quarters. A quarter is 25% of something, or one of 4 equal parts. 2 quarters are usually called a half. In everyday conversation, quarter is often used as a measurement, for example, quarter of an hour, quarter of a mile. And in business, a year is very often talked about in quarters, either in a financial context or for planning. The first 3 months of the year are the first quarter, the next 3 months are the second quarter, and so on. The first quarter is abbreviated as Q1, second quarter is Q2, and so on. And that ends my explanation to make it easier to understand the word quarter and how it's used in both everyday and business conversation. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know what words you'd like to hear about in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.